Hi, my name is Ansel and today we'll be taking a look at the Mash Shop Control High Profile. Got her right here. So I was asked by a friend of a friend to try and build them a keyboard that was quiet. They came across my Silent Alpaca typing test and they really liked it. So we browsed for a while and they just ended up really liking this board. The Mash Shop High Profile Control. It just was a perfect profile for them, had good RGB. It feels really good, a lot better than I thought. And for $200, it's honestly pretty nice. I mean, the keycaps are nice, stabilizers are okay. It comes with Halo Trues, so technically you could spend like $40 extra and get Holy Pandas, just by getting Yawk Pandas from Novel Keys or something like that. It's a very solid board for $200, but it sounds really bad stock. So let's take a listen to that. So yeah, stabilizers are rattly, there's a lot of case ping, these switches don't sound too hot if you ask me, so there's a lot of work to be done, but I really think that this can be a really good board if we mod it. So with that being said, let's get to it. So this isn't going to be an in-depth guide or anything, but here is the rundown of what we're going to do. So we're going to lube and clip the stabilizers and we're going to use band-aids to help keep them in place a little more. We'll really reduce the rattle. We're going to put foam in the bottom of the case. This should really help with the case ping. And we're going to replace the switches with Durock Silent Dolphins. They're going to be foam and lubed. We're specifically using the 62 gram variant. If you don't know what these are basically just silenced JWK linears, basically exactly the same as Silent Alpacas. We would have gotten Sericos, but they were group buy only, so we couldn't get their hands on them. They used the new top mold from JWK, which are really nice. We just don't have access to them, so that's just what it is. All right, and here's the completed board. It looks no different, but it sounds 1,000 times better in my opinion. So here's a sound test. And yeah, that sounds pretty amazing. I can honestly recommend this board if you can get it for $200. As long as you're willing to do the modding process, they're pretty good. Obviously get yourself the aftermarket stabilizers, either Cherry OEM or Everglide. We didn't get them because they either weren't in stock or would take forever to ship. Swap out the switches. Spend the $40 to get Holy Pandas or get like Durock T1 tactiles. Just any other switch that aren't like the stock Halo Trues. I don't like them. They feel like this weird bumpy linear. They don't really feel like a tactile. I don't know. I just don't like them. But that's just what it is. Maybe you do. It's all preference. So yeah, that basically concludes my video. Thank you so much for watching, I really appreciate it. I don't know if I'm going to do more videos like this, we'll see. Let me know in the comments below if you want to see something specific or whatever. But thank you so much, I really appreciate it, and see you next time.